So you've just received your Tinyfarm in the mail. Now I'm going to show you what's inside the starter pack that you bought. We have first and foremost a physical setup guide to get it up and running in your school. We have a consumable starter pack, which I will open up for you later. And then we also have a refillable hydroponic reservoir, which sits in the chamber, as well as 3 different bottles, which are refillable for both nutrients and water. What I've done now is I've taken all of the removable and mobile components out of the Tinyfarm. What we've got are 3 different bottles. So we've got the vegetative nutrient bottle, the flowering nutrient bottle, and the water bottle, which are of course refillable with the nutrients we provide, but also you're free to add your own if you prefer. On this side, we've got the reservoir, the hydroponic reservoir, which is made of 2 different parts. So we've got the top part, in which the plants are laid, and it also has a connection to the pumps. So this part is able to, for example, pump water in or out of the reservoir. And then the bottom part here is the one that needs to be filled up. And there's a line you'll find right here which shows the optimal height of the water. As part of the starter pack, we have the consumables box. So this includes some nutrients for you to work with. So for example, this is a very highly concentrated vegetative nutrient, as well as its flowering counterpart right here. We've got some capsules to put a plant pod in. We've got actual pods for the seeds to go into, which we'll go into more detail later. We've got some hats to stimulate the germination phase. And then we've got things such as a power cable, some stickers in the event that your students want to close the plants into the system. And then finally, we've got some seeds. So there should be plenty for you to work with, as there's a couple hundred of each seed. So that's the starter pack.